They're like little Rice Krispies. Mmm. It's good. Mowdy. What's up? Hola. Sawadee-ka. Hello. Hey you guys, welcome back to the Viewing Mars channel. I'm here at Dairy Queen, eating some fries and trying some of their new blizzards. So, Corey got the brownie dough blizzard. What's in here? Did you see?
Brownie bits, chips, chocolate.
Alright, so brownie pieces and chocolate. But that's not why you clicked on this video. Is this what you're here to see? This is the new Zero Gravity Blizzard. So it's got little cotton candy pieces. Look at that. Different colors swirled in. It's got Oreo bits in here too. Ooh. It tastes like cotton candy. The ice cream's good. You want to try it? The ice cream's really good. Kind of reminds me like of Blue Moon ice cream. But I think it'd say it's like a vanilla soft. It's vanilla flavored. Kind of dyed color. How would you describe it? I think it's really good. I would say it just tastes like vanilla ice cream with cotton candy, like a twinge of cotton candy to it. But the candies are really good. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's glitter in there. It's actually glittery. Look at that. It's out of this world. Well, these are pretty new to Sonic, so you still have plenty of time to go try it out. I believe it is for a limited time, but I think it's pretty good. How would you rate it out of 10?
I give it an 8.
Oh, an 8? I give it a 9. I don't mind it at all. I mean, it's so pretty. I mean, the camera's not really doing justice to the glitter being seen. I think you can see it shimmering. Yeah. Alright, I got this clip. You can see the glitter now. It's starting to melt a little, but swirl those colors in. Nice close-up look. Gonna have to eat it quick, it's melting. Look at the stars and the little planet covered in glitter. How cute! So, like I said, if you haven't had a chance, go to your Dairy Queen and try the new Zero Gravity Blizzard. Mine was small and it cost $4.89. So, alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget, click like, click subscribe, add me on Twitter, find me on Facebook, and tell your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.